Hello viewers, myself mgdtamim. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this. 99.3% of the people watch my video, but they do not subscribe my channel. I request you to please subscribe my channel. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to create a text in your composition. So I create motion, then middle align the text. Now right click on the empty place and go to new and select solid layer. Color doesn't matter, so you can choose any color and hit OK. Now you have to select solid layer and go to effect and preset and search there SABER Saber. Click on the effect, drag it and release on the solid layer. But remember, you must have to install Saber-Plugin in your computer. Let's back to the topic. Now, you can see this type of option. You have to go customize core and change the code type Saber to text layer. Now change the text layer none to motion. Then you have to go preset option and select ARC rector. Now you can see this preset is applied my text layer. Now you can customize the option to more interesting the text layer. So I want to customize it little bit. Glow intensity will be around 40%. I increase the glow spread 10 to 0.15. Glow bias will be 0.25% and core size will be 1.30%. Now click on the solid layer and go to 5 frame later and click on the end offset. Go to around 315 frame later and go to around 215 frame later and set the end offset value 100 to 0%. Now select the text layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the text layer and select the duplicate text layer and drag it on the solid layer. Now if I play it, you can see this type of electric text layer. Now select the solid layer and press Ctrl+D. Now select the duplicate text layer and go to glow color. Glow color code will be 40FBFF. I choose this color. You can choose any color from this color panel and hit OK. Now I decrease the glow intensity 40 to around 10%. Now click on the solid layer again and change the mode normal to screen and select other solid layer and change the mode normal to screen. If you don't see the option, you have to click on the switch mode. Then you can see mode option. Now if I play it, you can see this type of electric text layer. Go to 5 frame later and drag the first solid layer to more interesting the text layer. Now select all the layers and press Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose the layer and hit OK. Now go to effect and preset option again and search here CCSCALE scale wipe. Here is the effect and click on the effect, drag it and release on the pre-comp option. Now CC scale wipe applied in our pre-comp layer. Set the stage amount value 90%. Now set the direction minus 90%. Now come to the starting of the layer. Now click on the center and set a center point. I set the point there and click on the center to set a keyframe there and go to around 1.20 frames later and click on the point and drag it the finish line of the text. Now if I play it, you can see a very nice, attractive and gorgeous looking text layer. I decrease the workspace to 3.15 seconds. So here is the result. I hope you will be able to make this type of text animation very easily. Thank you for watching the video.